In today's exciting episode, we're diving into a treasure trove of wisdom from the past as we uncover Grandma's best-kept secrets. We'll be revealing her top 10 most eccentric yet incredibly efficient tips to save money. So grab your note-taking gear and get ready to be blown away by Grandma's frugality. Tip 1. Using toothpaste for cleaning silverware. Let's kick things off with a sparkling secret. Using toothpaste for cleaning silverware. Now, you might think toothpaste is only for those pearly whites, but Grandma thought differently. She used toothpaste, particularly the non-gel variety, as a potent silver polish. Its mild abrasiveness worked wonders in removing tarnish and restoring the silverware's shine. So, next time your silverware needs a touch-up, forget the expensive polishes and head straight for your toothpaste. Tip 2. Vinegar as an all-purpose cleaner. As we navigate through Grandma's home, you'll notice vinegar wasn't just reserved for her famous pickles. Distilled white vinegar was a star player in her cleaning arsenal. Perfect for disinfecting countertops, wiping down bathroom tiles, and giving mirrors a spotless shine, vinegar proved itself as a cheap, effective, and non-toxic all-purpose cleaner. Tip 3. Homemade dishwasher detergent. Strolling into Grandma's kitchen, we find a mystery. An everlastingly full container of dishwasher detergent. The secret, Grandma concocted her own dishwasher detergent. A mix of baking soda, borax, and salt did the trick, keeping dishes sparkling clean. Not only does this save you a trip to the store and some cash, but it's also a more eco-friendly cleaning solution. Tip 4. Newspaper for window cleaning. Next up, window cleaning. You might instinctively reach for a store-bought window cleaner and a roll of paper towels, but Grandma's method is simpler, cheaper, and just as effective. She swears by old newspapers. When used with a homemade vinegar and water solution, newspapers can make your windows gleam without leaving behind any lint or streaks. Plus, you're recycling old newspapers. Double win. Tip 5. Olive oil for polishing furniture. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. Grandma's frugality didn't stop at cleaning. It extended to maintaining her home as well. You might have wondered how she kept her wooden furniture looking lustrous and well-conditioned. The secret, olive oil. A small dab of this kitchen staple not only nourishes the wood, but also gives it a rich, beautiful sheen. Tip 6. Reusing old pantyhose. Nothing went to waste in Grandma's house, including old pantyhose. They found a new life as garden ties, coffee strainers, or even glove liners for chilly winter days. It's a simple tip that not only saves you some money, but also cuts down on household waste. Tip 7. Banana peels for polishing leather. Here's a tip that might raise eyebrows. Grandma knew how to make use of everything, including banana peels. The inside of a banana peel, when rubbed on leather items, leaves them shining and conditioned. So, before you throw away those peels, think about your leather shoes or that leather sofa that could use some love. Tip 8. Rice for cleaning narrow containers. Grandma had a genius solution for cleaning narrow containers or vases. If a bottle brush can't reach those corners, a handful of rice could. She would add rice and a bit of water to the container, cover it, and give it a good shake. The rice acts as a gentle scrubber, reaching corners that a brush can't, and leaves the container squeaky clean. Tip 9. Tea bags for rust prevention. After a comforting cup of tea, most of us would throw away the used tea bags. But Grandma kept them for a clever purpose. She discovered that the tannins in tea bags prevent rust on her cast iron pots and pans. So, the next time you're enjoying a cup of tea, remember that the tea bag could be the secret to prolonging the life of your cast iron utensils. Tip 10. DIY ice packs. And finally, we come to Grandma's homemade first aid, DIY ice packs. Instead of purchasing ice packs, she soaked a kitchen sponge in water, put it in a Ziploc bag, and froze it. This homemade, reusable ice pack is virtually free and perfect for minor injuries or keeping your lunchbox cool. So, there you have it, folks. We've unraveled Grandma's best-kept secrets, sharing with you her 10 most eccentric yet effective tips to save money. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. The journey to frugality becomes more delightful when we share and learn together. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with our money-saving tips and hacks. Until next time, keep channeling your inner grandma and keep saving.